If you're looking to take your 350Z or G35 to the next level, the Stage 2 clutch kit paired with a Chromoly steel performance flywheel is the perfect upgrade for serious enthusiasts. This performance kit includes a custom-built Stage 2 clutch disc designed to handle more power and torque while offering superior durability. It features an aggressive grip that maximizes engagement, making it ideal for spirited driving, track days, or handling moderate to high horsepower modifications. The heavy-duty pressure plate in the kit increases clamping force, ensuring a strong connection between the engine and transmission. A steel flywheel provides excellent strength, heat resistance, and lightweight performance. The flywheel reduces rotational mass, helping the engine rev quicker and providing improved throttle response and acceleration. This Stage 2 clutch kit and flywheel combo offers the perfect balance between performance and drivability. Whether you're looking to push your car to its limits on the track or simply want a more responsive driving experience, this upgrade will deliver improved clutch engagement, quicker shifts, and greater power handling. Get yours today.